Can you solve this? We have to find the perimeter of the triangle. So before we even look at the triangle, what does perimeter mean? The perimeter means you add all the sides. So let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. So the perimeter of the triangle will be A plus B and then plus C. Now we are given the perimeter in terms of X. We are not given the perimeter as numbers, but they are all in terms of X. So, and we are given the area to be 24 centimeter square. We are to calculate, we are to find the perimeter. So how do we find the perimeter when we are given the area and we are given the sides in terms of X? We will be using the given area to find the value of X. So let's go, let's do it like this. What is the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle says half base times height. And when you look at this triangle, this is the base. So the base is 6, yes, and then the height, this is the height. The height is 3x minus 1. And we're given the area to be 24. So this shows that we'll be having 24, which is the area, and it will be equal to half times what is the base? 6. And what is the height? 3x minus 1. So let's simplify this. This becomes 24. This will be 24 will be equal to 3 bracket 3x minus 1. So when we divide both sides by 3, we have 3x minus 1 to be equal to 8. So this gives 3x to be equal to 9 and x will be equal to 3. Now that we found the value of x, then we can calculate the perimeter. But before we calculate the perimeter, let's first find the value of each side. So now we have x to be 3. If x is 3, so this will become 3x, this is 3, 3x minus 1. That will be 9 minus 1. We have 9, 3 times 3, this becomes 9 minus 1. So this side, the height is 8. And here we have 3 also. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So that means side A is 8, plus side B is 10, and then plus side C is 6 as we were given. So this becomes 18 plus 6, and this will be 24. So the correct answer, the perimeter, will be 24 centimeters. So that is how to solve this question. So if you are confused at any point, do well to watch the video again so you can understand it. So let me know, were you able to figure it out on your own, or you weren't able to figure it out till you watch the video? That will be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.